Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another technical analysis with Cannin. I'm Steven, and today we're going to look at the biggest hemp-based product manufacturer in the United States and now in Canada. And many of you know that that's Charlotte's Web, located in Cannin's backyard here in Boulder, Colorado. They make some of the biggest products. They got a lot of press coverage from Sanjay Gupta's CNN story. So they are the market leaders in the hemp space in terms of revenue and even in terms of market share. I think they have about 12 or 13% market share, and formed from the Stanley brothers. So lots of interesting backstories on Charlotte's Web. But let's jump over to the pricing chart and see what we can see here. You'll see we're looking at CWBHF. This is the OTC ticker. They're also CWEB on the Canadian Stock Exchange, the CSE, so you can look there as well. And they just went public in 2018, so as we scroll back, you'll see there's no data. That's because they just went public here, and the data is a little bit limited. But so what you'll see is they opened up around $13. They're currently at 10. So a little bit of a downward swing, but lots of volatility. Look at that, 14 all the way down to 875. So lots of volatility in this stock. We're going to show the MACD today, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. We've chatted about this before. This is the 26 period exponential moving average subtracted the 12 period exponential moving average. And you'll see there's a delay. Pricing data starts here, but we don't get our MACDs until here, and that's obviously because we need 12 periods and 26 periods to calculate the MACD, so that's why there's a lag. So the MACD is a momentum indicator. Why is that important? It's because there's a little bit of a lag in the momentum indicator. You'll see, if we watch this, just this large period, downward trends starts right around here on this candle on October 18th. If we keep our line on that candle on October 18th, you'll see that the MACD doesn't go negative until 2 candles later. So there's a 2-period lag there. What about when it goes positive? The first upward movement here, 31st of October, look at the MACD. It's coming back towards 0, which is the turn you would expect, but it doesn't actually go positive until 4 candles later. Same here, 2, 3, 4, a handful of candles later until it actually swings negative. So if you're just looking at the Y value of the MACD, positive or negative values, you're going to miss these swings by a handful, 3 to 5 periods. But actually look at the trend lines that are shown with the MACD. Look what happens. The very first, if we watch this swing here, the first green, if I come down, that's the entire change of the slope of this line. So if we follow for slope changes, let's see what happens here. The exact candle that the slopes changed is the start of the downward trend. So now we have another trigger to help us overcome some of that lag of the actual numerical value of the MACD. So watch for the actual line changes in slope. That's going to give you a lot of information on what's going to happen, and it'll be confirmed by the actual MACD numerical value swinging from negative to positive or positive to negative. So some other things to watch with these momentum indicators to help you overcome the lags. The change of slope in these lines. Once the slope is 0, pay close attention. From all of us here at Cannin.com, we want to thank you for being with us this year, and Happy New Year to everyone out there. Safe and fun time to all. Thank you very much.